Leefar, her juicy feminine probiotic gummies, have been making waves online with their bold promises of supporting women's health by balancing pH levels, promoting good internal bacteria, easing vaginal dryness, and even improving digestion, all wrapped up in a sweet little gummy. At first glance, it seems like a perfect wellness boost, but a deeper look raises a few eyebrows. The product claims to deliver noticeable results in just 1 week, which is unusually fast for any probiotic to show real effects, especially when it comes to internal health. There's also a lack of clinical backing to support such strong claims. And despite the product being priced over $50, there's a surprising lack of authentic customer reviews or testimonials to validate its effectiveness. Another confusing point is the labeling. While it proudly states "Made in the USA," the packaging also hints at a Chinese manufacturer, which makes the brand's origin and production transparency questionable. It's not necessarily a scam, but the lack of evidence, vague background, and the steep price definitely make it a product worth approaching with caution.